It was very nice today on the 25th of July 2024. And here's Lemminkäisenkatu 11, staircase 8, the first one in this residential wing, but also the last one to be filmed here because we started from the last staircase.
Yeah, or not second last and then last and then, yeah.
But then in the right order.
Yeah.
And so in this building they were built between 1961 and 62 with the AB6 fixtures, and 8 of them were modernized in 1994, but possibly the staircases will be here, were modernized at the beginning of 1994, and then the two last ones in late 1993 with Kone.
Yeah.
Oops. And well, four of 10 are from late 1961, finished 1962.
Yeah.
At least of 10 from early 1962 then. So British Airline 767 and also modernized in the beginning of 1994. And one right here.
Debug-wise, that maintained by Kone.
I like the sounds of smell here.
Same.
And unfortunately the basement floor is locked up.
Yeah.
That's it, thanks for watching. You can also watch the 9 other staircases here, all of them.